How to get verified on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get verified on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to get verified on Facebook, open up your browser and directly come to this link, which is the official link for the verification form, which is facebook.com/help/contact/a series of numbers, right? Now when you come to this page over here, you can see it says verify your page or profile, and these are the form that we need to fill in, and there are also some of the eligibility criteria that you might want to figure out before you try to apply for verification. So verified pages and profiles have blue check marks next to their names to show that Facebook has confirmed they're the real presence of the public figures, celebrities and brands they represent. What are you verifying? Whether a page or whether a profile, select that and make sure to simply enter your profile link. If you don't know where your profile link is, you just have to go to your Facebook over here, and once you go to Facebook, you simply want to go to your profile page and just make sure to copy the link here and then just come back and then paste it like this. Now you have to confirm your authenticity. Now add an official identification document for yourself or your businesses to show that your page or profile is connected to public figure, celebrity or brand it represents. So just select document type. Of course, you can select your driver's license, passport, national identification card, tax filing, recent utility bill or whatever else over here. Now you can just choose and add the document that you'd like to add over here. Once you add the documents, you can select your category on which you are popular, so it could be news media, sports, government and politics, music, fashion, entertainment or whatever else you prefer. Now you can simply enter your audience, but that's totally optional. Now if you do this, of course, it's going to help the verification process much faster. Add a few bit of links that is going to prove that you are a real person or a celebrity or an interest of public figure. Now once you've done that, click the send option. Depending upon a few business days period of time, Facebook will let you know whether or not you're eligible for verification. But to give you a context, that's all it takes to get verified on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.